Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn Think Right. In this video we will be seeing few more operations on numpy arrays and those are of type matrix. Okay, so we will be seeing operations on matrices. Here we are taking two arrays, A equals to np dot array, and the element will be 1 1 and 0 1. And next is array B with elements 2 0 and 3 4. Now let us see the operations on both the arrays. We are performing multiplication operation. Okay, and this operation, this star operator is multiplication operator, will be performing operation on multiplication of all the elements. Okay, let us see how it is performed. So 1 into 2 will be 2. 2 will be the first element of resultant array. Next 1 into 0. So it will return 0. Next is 0 into 3 will be 0, 0, and 1 into 4 will be 4. So the operation is performed at element level. Multiplication is performed at element level. Next is the at operator, and which is used to perform the matrix product. As we perform the matrix product, it will give the result in the form of matrix product. I suggest you to perform this. I suggest you to run this code so that you will get confirmed with the output. Now the array is after the matrix product, the array will be 5 4 and 3 1. And next one more is dot operator, that will also give you the same result, and which is in the form of the matrix product of two matrices, and here are the two matrices. Next one is, we'll first create an array of ones. Okay, np dot ones is, this is also one of the functions to create an array of all ones. So this will create an array with elements 1 1 1 1. This is two dimensional array and having two columns in each row. Okay, two rows and two columns. So these are the elements. Now a into equals to 3. This means a equals to a multiplied by 3. Okay, so what will be the resultant array? 3 is multiplied to each and every element in the array. So the resultant array will be 3 3 and 3 3. So this was about the matrices, the first video about the matrices. Hope to see you in upcoming videos. Till then, subscribe the channel. Thank you.